and we're at BizTown.
Here's your story, let's begin. The water's fine, come on, dive in. The future's here, it's right before your eyes. Step by step, you're on your way. Welcome to a brighter day. Don't you know it feels good to be alive? You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You could have all you ever wanted, shoot the moon and reach for Mars. You know you could. Yeah, times are changing everywhere. Do we dream and do we dare? It's up to you, the door is open wide. Feel the rhythm of today, learn the part and join the play. The world is here, let's take it for a ride.
I really like collecting rent. There's lots of opportunities and jobs here, and I think BizTown's really fun. My favorite thing about BizTown is that I get to ask them about their experiences. Being able to buy this backpack at Walmart. You should come to BizTown. My favorite part about BizTown is going to every store and seeing what they do and making money.
You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You could have all you ever wanted, shoot the moon and reach for Mars. You know you could. Feel the rhythm of today, learn the part and join the play. The world is here, let's take it for a ride.
My favorite thing about today here was getting my first paycheck and going to the bank to get at the law. I go to places and I ask the CEOs if they need their air filter changed. My favorite thing is making the drink. At On Semi, we are making circuits. My favorite part of BizTown is making payments on our computer and doing orders. My favorite thing about BizTown today is doing checkups on people because I can be a nurse. One thing I love about my job is really the computers, because it's really fun. So you did like the account numbers and stuff. My favorite part of BizTown was working and managing my money.
You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams